Uizard versus UX Pilot. Let's start with Uizard. Uizard is an AI-powered design tool that turns text prompts, hand-drawn sketches, and ideas into ready-to-use UI mockups. It's built for speed, perfect for people who want to go from concept to clickable prototype without spending hours pushing pixels. So what it offers is an AI text design generation. It can also convert sketches into digital UI layouts. It also has a drag and drop editor with templates, and it offers a collaboration tool for teams. So what is UX Pilot? UX Pilot focuses on guiding the design process using UX best practices. Instead of just generating mockups, it helps you plan, test, and improve your designs. It's aimed to ensure your UI decisions are data-driven and user-friendly from the start. So what it offers is the UX research and audit tools. They also have a wireframing and prototyping. They also have a user testing integration and has a feedback collection and analysis. So in comparison, for Wizard, it has AI generated mockups, but UX Pilot doesn't have. And for UX research tools, UX Pilot has them, but Wizard doesn't have it. However, both have collaboration. And for some templates and assets, UX is limited. Meanwhile, UI design and UI Wizard has a lot of templates. So in conclusion, if you want speed and ease of use, UI Wizard wins. But if you care more about research, testing, and improving user experience, UX Pilot is better.